Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send photos as Snap on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat, and then you simply need to scroll up, and here you can see your camera roll pictures. So how you can share these pictures as normal step, you simply need to go back and you simply need to open Play Store, and here you need to search for the OVF editor, and you need to download this application first. As you can see that I already downloaded this application. Then you simply need to click on open, and let me enter my pattern, and then you need to click on photo and video and click on select image. So let me select this image for example, and click on the tick mark on the top right. Okay, would you like to share the media with Snapchat app? Click on share, and now you can share this picture as normal snap with your friends in your stories on Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.